Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Seasonal Wreath Challenge Summer 2019 with Pam from Creative Homescaping. And she wanted us to make or revamp a wreath. So I decided I wanted to make a beautiful nautical wreath using what you see here. And I decided I want to make it for my son's room using those clothespins, this cardboard round shape I got, glue sticks, and my glue gun. Also, we will be using something to decorate, but I will show you that a little bit later. So let's get started. First, we're going to take our clothespins and we're going to divide them and taking off the metal piece in the center. We're not going to use that part. And take them all off, break them apart, and now we're going to start adding our clothespins like that to our shape. One by one, as you can see, I'm just measuring so they go a little bit to the center and that they get the round shape, because if you put them too straight, they're not gonna get that round shape you need for a wreath. So continue adding them until you finish, and you're gonna glue all of those clothespins around your wreath. It requires a little bit of playing with them so they get into the shape that you need them. And this is how it's looking. You continue adding until you finish like that, and break apart as much as you need. I used a small package of clothespins, and that was more than enough because I got like 4 or 5 left after I finished. Continue adding like that, and when you get to the end part, you're gonna get 2 of them, if you measure yours like mine, heading the same way, and that's what we're gonna use as our side. First, we're gonna play around with my rope, but I don't want that in that side. I'm gonna glue that to the side instead of being the part that holds the wreath. We're gonna glue it like so, like it's looks like a snake of rope, and hot glue it like that, like a snake, and continue gluing that until you get to the end part of your rope like so. And we're gonna give it a round shape in the upper part of your rope. Now we're gonna start gluing our decor. This is a real starfish I bought at Walmart long time ago, and those are salto ornaments I made for my son's birthday like 2 years ago, I guess. It was a SpongeBob theme birthday party. And now we're gonna take this and start making a bow that I won't like, so I won't add it. But I want to show you that sometimes we make things that won't work with our decor. It happens to all of us. So you can see I'm just spending a lot of time making a bow, and at the end I didn't like how it turned out. But it happens to all of us. And now I'm gonna add my ribbon like that and hot glue it, and then I'm gonna make a smaller bow that I will add to the top part of my ribbon, because I want it to look a little bit more nautical and masculine. Like that, we add the seashell. Now we're hot gluing our ribbon, and that will be it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our ribbon on top. We have our wreath. Let me show you a little bit better. This is how it looks. I just love it. Here's the ribbon. All of our decor. Let me get you closer so you can see it. Those are the salto ornaments and some seashells. And it just looks beautiful. Let me give you another look. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to Pam's channel. I just want to take this opportunity to thank her for bringing us this awesome challenge. I just love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.